Hello everyone, this is NASAN Technology. Today we are going to show you an amazing tools for using with the laser machine when we repairing the iPhone back glass. Because we found that some people they use some sticker to cover on the camera or the frames before the laser marking. They do this for protecting the camera or the frame. Why the laser will damage the phone? Here is an empty housing. We have removed the back glass and the remaining glue. After that, we can see there are some gaps on the housing. When the laser goes to the wrong place, it may go through these gaps and hit on the part under that. So it may cause the phone restarting or Face ID not working, etc. For avoiding the laser hitting on the wrong place, we can do drawing alignment. But can we have any other faster methods? The tools we're going to show you today, we call it physical drawing, which can ensure that the laser won't damage the phone 100%. No matter which brand laser machine you use, and we don't need any drawing alignment, and we don't even need any drawings.
For example, we can check if the laser will hit on the phone inside parts with that black paper. Put an empty housing above it. Then autofocus. Then put a physical drawing on it. Then let's go to the software. We don't use any drawing files on the software. We only need to draw a rectangle and fill it. Then we can check the red light preview, and move it to the phone's area to make sure it will mark on the physical drawing. Start marking. During marking, you can leave it alone and do other jobs. The laser will stop automatically when it is done. Now the first part's finished. We can check the housing. With this tool, it covers the most important area, which can avoid laser hitting on the parts. Let's check the black paper. It is still perfect, no trace of being hit by the laser. With this solution, we don't need to worry laser causing damage to the phone at all.
The laser machines using in the near future. And if you want to learn more about the drawing and alignment, you could check our previous videos. Hope it could help. And if you met with any problem with the laser machine, you can feel no hesitate to contact us. We will try our best to help. And stay tuned. We will see you next time.